Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Claim What's Yours. I'm your host Vaughan Reinecker, and today I'd like to talk to you about a typical day in the life of a commercial insurance broker in Johannesburg. I got a phone call from one of our clients this morning. He'd had a burglary at his premises out on the East Rand, and we notified the claim to his insurer, provided a claim form, all the relevant documents relating to the loss. And then our client phoned us and said to us, what is it that the insurance company want to come and do at my premises? So I've had a burglary, guys came in and stole stuff. What does an assessor want to come and do here? What is he going to do? There's nothing to see, everything's gone, it's been stolen, it's been taken. What is he coming to do? What's the story? And he was fairly upset about it. So from the insurance company's point of view, we tried to explain it as best we could. So the insurance company is allowed to investigate any claims that are submitted to them. They're allowed to appoint an assessor, so depending on the quantum of the claims, if it's a fairly small claim, the insurance company will probably do a desktop assessment. If you give them the claim form and all the supporting documents, damage reports, replacement quotes, etc. But if the claim is over a certain amount, and normally in South Africa, 30, 40,000 Rand going upwards, the insurance company will appoint either an in-house assessor or an independent assessor to come and visit you, to come to your premises so that they can become familiar with what happened in the claim. So in this particular premises, these guys held up the guard at the main access gate with firearms. And yes, there's nothing to see, but at least the assessor can get an idea of what happened and what transpired in terms of the claim. Further than that, they drove into the premises, walked into the offices, held up the staff. So once again, there's nothing to see because the criminals are no longer there, nor are the firearms, and nor are the items that have been taken. But this is to allow the insurance company, as part of their standard operating procedures and protocols, to investigate a loss. Firstly, to make sure that the loss took place. Secondly, that the events that took place are covered in terms of the policy. So here there was theft under threat of force or threat of violence, in which case any theft policy will operate and your claim will be paid. You don't have to have an alarm because you were held up either by a gunpoint or knife point. Doesn't have to be, but it could be threat of violence, any threat of violence. And then to see the physical location of where the items were located, what was there anything in place. If those items have already been replaced, the insurance company are happy with that. So they also understand that you need to continue operating. So you can't be without a printer or your laptops or any other electronic equipment. It's already been replaced. The insurance company are not questioning that. They're just questioning those three things. Did the loss occur? What are the events that took place? And what is the quantum? So when I explained this to our clients, I said that this is what the insurance company would like to do. They're not second guessing you. They're not querying you. They're not doubting your integrity, but they would like to come and assess the loss. That's what they've agreed to do. That's what they're going to do. And they would like your assistance to do that. So our client, once we'd explained this rationale to him, he was quite happy with the response, and he undertook to accompany the insurance company's appointed assessor around the premises to have a look at it. So that's a typical day in the life of a commercial insurance broker, and sometimes it's just about bedside manner and explaining things to clients just to tell them the reason that the insurance company are taking certain actions. And once the reasons are explained and the reasons are fair and reasonable, then the client can accept it. So if you'd like to know more, or if you'd like to be involved, you have a query on a claim or a matter that you would like some assistance on, please like, subscribe, and send us an email. Thanks.